Today, we're diving deep into survival tip number 8, and this is a big one: mastering fire. A lot of people think making a fire is all about getting that first spark, that first little flame. And yeah, that's important, but it's only 1/3 of the battle. The real secret, the key to a reliable, roaring fire every single time, lies in what I call the 3 pillars: tinder, kindling, and fuel. Getting these 3 elements right, and in the right order, is the difference between warming up by a cozy campfire and shivering in the dark. A super common mistake, one I see all the time, is people get a great flame going from their tinder, they get all excited, and then poof, it's gone. Why? Preparation is everything. Before you even think about striking a match or using your ferro rod, you need to have all 3 pillars gathered, sorted, and within arm's reach. So let's break them down. First up is tinder. This is your ignition point. It needs to be something incredibly fine, dry, and fluffy that will catch a spark with almost no effort. Think of things like the inner bark of a birch tree, finely shredded dry grass, cattail fluff, or even man-made options like cotton balls soaked in petroleum jelly. Your goal with tinder isn't to create a big flame, but to create a reliable, tiny flame that can be nurtured. You want a good-sized bundle of it, at least a handful. Don't be stingy here. Once you have your tinder ready, you need pillar number 2, kindling. This is the bridge between your tiny tinder flame and a self-sustaining fire. Kindling is made up of small, dry twigs and sticks. I like to sort them into a few piles. The first pile should be super thin, about the size of a matchstick. So next piler, like or pencil, and a third pile, maybe the thickness of your thumb. This progressive sizing is crucial. You'll add the thinnest kindling to the tinder flame first. Once that catches, you add the pencil-sized sticks, and so on. This gradual increase in size allows the heat to build up without smothering the young flame. Finally, we have the third and final pillar, fuel. This is the big stuff. The logs and larger branches that will keep your fire going for hours, providing a consistent source of heat and light. You don't just throw a massive log on top of your kindling. You start with smaller fuel wood, maybe wrist-thick branches. And once those are burning well and you've built up a nice bed of hot coals, then you can add the larger logs. Having a good supply of fuel wood ready means you won't be scrambling in the dark looking for more wood later on. So remember the mantra: tinder, kindling, fuel. Prepare all 3 before you ever try to make a spark. Gather your fluffy tinder, your graded piles of kindling from matchstick to thumb-sized, and your larger fuel wood. Build your fire structure, then, and only then, introduce your flame. This systematic approach will dramatically increase your success rate and turn a potentially frustrating task into a reliable skill. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this helps you on your next adventure. If you found this useful, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more survival tips. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.